Hello, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a B2B Nexus connector replacement for an Xbox Series X. So I've got the board out, obviously. Normally I'll prep it with some low melt, but we're going to skip that step today. All right, we're up to temp. Well, let's dig in. You may want to turn down the audio, by the way. It could get loud. 3, 2, 1. Go. Alright, so got to get all this factory solder off. And we could get the good solder on and the new connector on. Alright. There we go. There we go. All right, we got the connector replacement prepped. We got the board prepped. Let's dig in. Make it loud. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Just leave that side with you there. All right, we're all set. All right, it came out beautiful. Everything passed the tweezer test. We're all good to go. I'm going to put a link to that part in case any of you guys need to buy it in the description and in the comments. Thanks for viewing in. Be sure to like the video, hype the video. Be sure to consider subscribing if you haven't already. And we're going to have a lot of new fun stuff on the way. Thanks for tuning in.